CapCut launched a powerful new AI video maker, which is 100% free to use, and it's going to blow your mind. This tool makes video editing effortless, and I'm super excited to show you how it works. So you are welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
The very first thing to do is to come over to CapCut.com, and this is what its interface looks like. And if you look over here, you'll see different new options that are available. The free AI video maker, which is going to be our main focus for today's video. There is AI captions, brainstorm with AI. So like I said, we are specifically going to be focusing on this one. So all you have to do here is to click on this option over here, just like that, and it's going to bring you onto a new workspace or a new interface which looks like this. And like you can see down here, we have option of instant AI video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, match media to script in one click. But you can access all of these when you create on a new project. So let's go ahead and click on this option over here. Like you can see, it has opened for us a new interface, and it says enter your script or create a one with AI. So we are going to be creating one with AI, and this is going to allow us to generate everything using this tool without going to other tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek to generate ideas. So let's go ahead and click on this option, and like you can see, it opens up a new workspace on the left, and down here it says create script. So it requires for us to enter the topic of the video we are generating, the key points. Then down here you can choose the duration of how long you want your video to be. If you want to mimic a specific writing style, you can do that as well. Then there is an option of more requirements down here, and we are going to look at all of those as we progress. Okay, so let's come back up here where it says topic. I already have something that I saved in my Google Docs. So today's topic is going to be 10 amazing dog facts you probably didn't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, just like this. Then I'll go back to CapCut and paste it over here. Okay, so the second one says key points. Still, I have something in mind. I'm going to go ahead and take all these over here. So all I'm doing right now is to highlight everything, copy, and then I'm going to come back to CapCut and paste it over here. Okay, so down here it shows a duration. So if it's maybe like a TikTok video, you can go with 1 minute, and if it's a YouTube video, you can go with 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this option of 10. Then I'll come down here and click on this option that says more requirements. So I'm going to input this particular text that says make the video fun, engaging, and irresistible to watch from start to finish. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to click on create. So it's going to take time to create the script. Like you can see right now, it's in the process. Let's give that time until it's ready. Once it's done, it's going to give you these two options, one which is cancel if you don't like the script, and the other one you can click on use if you like the script. So give yourself time and go through that. Then once you're done, all you have to do is to click on use, just like that. Once you're done, now we are going to move on to step 2, which is the scenes option on the left. So click on that, and like you can see, we have two options over here. We have the voiceover option and then the media option. Let's start with the voiceover option. Like you can see down here, it has two categories. It has the avatar, and then it has the voice option. So let's begin with the avatar. For an avatar, a very good example, for those of you who do not know what avatars are, is the introduction of my video. That lady that you saw introducing the video to you is actually an avatar, and all you have to do is to go through all of these ones available. Then you choose a specific one that you want to be saying out your script. Next is the voiceover option. So let's click on that, and like you can see, they're going to bring for you a variety of options. So all you have to do is to go through all of these, click on them, and you see what they sound like. So let's first preview this.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So if you like that particular one, you can use that. If you don't like it, you can go ahead to go through all the different options available. Also, you can go ahead to choose category per category. For example, if you're working on a narration, all you have to do is to click over here, and then they're going to bring for you a variety of options that you can choose from. So let's listen to Timothy and we see what that sounds like.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Okay, that sounds really good.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So whichever one you want to use, all you have to do is to click on it just like this, and then you're going to click on this option that says apply to all scenes, just like that. Give that time as it uploads. Okay, then we are going to be moving forward. Right now it's done, and you can go ahead to click on the play option over here to see what it sounds.
Hi, it's me. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be learning about 10 amazing dog facts you probably didn't know. So let's get into it. A dog's nose print is as unique as its fur pattern. Ever wondered what your dog is up to when they're sleeping?
So if you don't like how that sounds, like I showed you guys, you can go over it until you find something that you like better, and you'll be using that in particular. Okay. I actually liked how Leo sounded like and decided to work with that. Okay. So let's move on to our next step, which is media. So for media, we have three options. The first option is generate AI media. So with this, we generate with AI, and all you have to do is to select the particular category that you want to work with, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Then there is this option of match your media, whereby you can automatically upload your videos or images, and the AI will be using that. Okay, so there is a match stock media, whereby this AI is going to go through the images and videos already existing in CapCut. Then it uses that based on the content of the video. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So in this particular option, let's first try the generate AI media option first. So let's go ahead and click on that. Like you can see, the first thing here, it allows you to choose the aspect ratio. So if you're working, for example, on a YouTube video, it's 16:9. And for today's video, the content we chose, or the script we generated, it's been for a YouTube channel. Like you saw, we chose a duration of 10 minutes. So that's a long video for YouTube. But if you want to work with a TikTok video, you'll have to go with 9:16 aspect ratio, like you can see. So down here, there is different styles. So you're just going to go through all of these and you choose which one you like better. So let's go with realistic film. Okay, in this particular case, let me click on realistic film. And then after that, all you have to do is to click on apply to all scenes. And still, we are going to give that time until it's ready. Then we are going to see how it came out like. Everything is now set. So let's go ahead and click on play to see how that turned out like.
And today we're going to be learning about 10 amazing dog facts you probably didn't know. So let's get into it. A dog's nose print is as unique as its fur pattern. Ever wondered what your dog is up to when they're sleeping? Dogs can detect diseases by smelling the breath, urine, blood, and skin of a person. They can detect diseases such as cancer, diabetes, epilepsy, and malaria. The oldest dog ever was an
Okay, that turned out really great. But before we continue, guys, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and let's proceed. Now, as much as the AI did an amazing job to generate the images, I really think we lack some movement with the images. I wish it was like more of videos rather than images. So let's try the different option over here, the match stock media. So all you have to do here is to click on the option of match, just like this. And like you can see, it says continue to match stock media. The current media will be replaced. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on continue to see if we will have better results. Once again, we are going to give that time until it's ready. Okay, now it's ready. Let's go ahead and play it to see how it turned out like.
Hi, it's me. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be learning about 10 amazing dog facts you probably didn't know. So let's get into it. A dog's nose print is as unique as its fur pattern. Ever wondered what your dog is up to when they're sleeping? Dogs can detect diseases by smelling the breath, urine, blood, and skin of a person. They can detect diseases such as cancer, diabetes, epilepsy.
Okay, that turned out really great. But if you want to edit more, you can do that. For example, if you don't like a specific video or footage, all you have to do is to come over here, and like you can see, we have an option to replace the video or image with something different, or you can even go further to delete it. Now let's move on to the next option, which is elements. All you have to do is to click over there, and like you can see, there is a variety of caption templates that you can choose from. So let's try this particular one over here. Now let's play it with the captions added, and we see what it looks like.
Along the way. Don't get angry or frustrated, just be patient and keep practicing. Once a dog learns a new trick, they'll be very proud of themselves. It's a great feeling for a dog to be able to perform a trick and get praise from their owner. Dogs can even detect the difference between cancerous and non-cancerous cells. They only have a few sweat glands in their paws. Did you learn anything new? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Okay, that came out really, really amazing. And we have one more option, which is music. Still, you're just going to click on that option, go through the different options available. Like you can see, there is different types. There is background music. All you have to do is to go through all of them, and you find a specific one that you want to use. Go ahead and add it to your video. Then we are all going to be set, and the only thing left is for us to export our video. So to do that, you're going to click at the top right corner of your screen over here where it says export, and you'll click on that. Like you can see, there is different options over here: the quality, resolution, format. Just go through these and choose the options that are better for you. Okay, then once you're done, all you have to do is to click on the export button once again, and your video is going to be saved on your computer, and it's going to be ready for use. Now guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, but before you leave, I just want to let you know that I have more videos that I believe you can benefit from. So I've linked them in the description down below for you guys to take advantage of them as well. So if you found value in this video, once again, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and see you in my next one. Bye.